attraction and now that it's been a bit. 'Cause I've been so long, so long. Oh, 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 yeah. 'Cause I've been so long for so long. Oh, 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 yeah. 'Cause I've been so long.
Let's get started. First of all, I would like you to join me in welcoming Mr. Ferry Gunawan, our Northwest Area Sales Vice President.
Thank you for accepting me. I am looking forward to today's meeting.
I also want to introduce Mr. Evan Pradipta, who has just joined our team.
Thanks for the welcome. Also introduce my assessment, Mr. Budi, but I am sorry he did not mention due to a problem.
Welcome, Mr. Evan. I'm afraid our National Sales Director, Ms. Yasmin, can't be with us today. She is in Kobe right now, developing our first Eastern sales force. Reviewing past business, it is a good idea to review past business before moving on the main topic of discussion. Before we start the meeting this morning, we would be better if we pray first. Let's read the Basmalah together so that this meeting can go according to plan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, let's start. We are here today to discuss how to increase sales in rural market areas. Here I read the flow of the meeting this morning. First, the presentation of the main points from the discussion topic of this morning's meeting. Second, a PowerPoint presentation delivered by Mr. Evan, continued by Mr. Ferry, and then continued. Third, the next one is question and answer. Four, next the PowerPoint presentation delivered by Ms. Erlisa and continued by Ms. Anggita. After that, a question and answer procession and the submission of argument. The last closing. Well, let me start with the last one, which is to discuss the report from the last meeting, which was held on 24th June. Ms. Febri, I welcome the time and place.
Thank you, Mr. Febi. Let me summarize the main point from the last meeting. We tested the masking we agreed on the gains in our sales reporting system that were discussed on my 30 years. After briefly revising the upcoming changes, we moved on the brainstorming session on improving customer support. You will find conflicts of the mind, ideal developed and discussed in this session in the place I have emailed out of the team. The meeting was closed at approximately 11:30. Starting a meeting, make sure that everyone has a meeting agenda and stick to it. View the agenda from time to time during the meeting to keep the discussion on track.
Thank you, Ms. Ferry. So if there's nothing else we need to discuss, let's move on to today's agenda. Have you all received a copy of today's agenda? If you don't mean, I would like to skip item 1 and move on to item 2, which is increase sales in rural market areas. Mr. Evan respectfully agrees to provide us with a report on this matter. Jacob, discuss the items on the agenda. Make sure to paraphrase and clarify as you go through.
Good morning. Introduction. Myself to Evan as secretary. In this presentation, I will first explain the purpose of this meeting for the opening of bread store in the site. Second, I will share with you some of the modern resources and discuss some of the key application of this important work, particularly around how we manage and allocation capital across the group. Slide 1, opening. Slide 2, main goal. We have a main goal to do this project. First, to increase value. We seek to create value for our shareholders by allocation our capital where returns at risk-adjusted basis most attractive. Adjusting the rate of return is not a right test. We operate under a value of local research and capital regimens that do not always provide consistent view of risky capital. Our economic capital framework allows us to earn that implicitly and give us a more rational and often different view of the prospective attractive of the market in which we operate. And of course, we intend for this to be incorporated in photo performance management process. Second, influence our risk management capitalists. At Prodigal, we interest operates an intention group. We firmly believe that business decisions should be taken by our local people in the local market. However, it is important for us to constantly monitor the group's overall leads profile and have line of sight into our business. This ensures that as the growth of the very across markets and products, we continue to operate according to single standard for management and access right. Introduction speech split present tense. Finally, we want to be able to document the group's finance and economic basis. The view assessment regulation does not our fault capture the last profit capital attached of a global and diversified business like ours. Regulates our strategy where of the end checks the as to internal model as to component of the solvency to proposal. We have been involved is the VSA during the development of the framework. We have very useful two-way dialogue which has informed our this on the work problem diversification. We also recognize that our ability to realize the benefit of difference in limited. By capital mobility, constantly around the group. Our dialogue with the VSA continues. And the intent to provide them with the details internal models as part of our group capital allocation in our course. Therefore, we will only discuss book that was during this presentation. In addition, all major rating adjustment so allowed of internal use model as a supplement to their process, and we already have some of our different wisdom. Slide 3. Slide 3 concludes in design of French. The principal we adoption were guided by two winds. The net in to answer a strong to the work from work, as well as the notion to have a capital approach that can support the business destination. We established three main principles at 2 hours the project. Then my driver of our approach is that we went to approach the benefit of difference with him very business and class and the group. The problem of difference is a very basic requirement because it is our core strategy as a group, geography and product difference group. Second, we as a motivated approach in the we model case for our case for business book. Our main motivation of adoption the appearance the at it president capitals in the of the natural of the risks we face and how we manage them. For example, our export the assess the ability risk equals our time. We manage it the dynamic and flexible assess allocation, bonus and credit strategies. Finally, cash coverage much of the B coverage covering our large financial and operation with a clear focus on the A exposure.
Sorry, Mr. Evan, I did not know.
So here I explain about the project that we will do in the development of our group.
Okay, Mr. Evan, thank you.
Okay, Mrs. Febri. Then the presentation will be continued by Miss Ferry as our marketing president.
All right, I'll start with this PowerPoint presentation. Good morning, everyone. I, as President of Sales in the West area, will present. The aim of today is to discuss the development of new methods to reach rural customer. To begin with, I will explain what methods we will do. As you can see, we are developing a new methods to reach our rural customer to keep our sales keep growing and generation profit for the company. In order to reach more from our customer, we have to promote our products more attractively so that customer will buy our products. Before I start the report, I'd like to get some ideas from all of you. How do you feel about rural sales in your sales district? As for her, I will plan to use several methods which I will mention the things we have prepared. Things that we can prepare in cloud. Slide 1, giving discount. The purpose the providing a discount is because you want new customer to be interested in your product. With a discount, they can try your product with list, especially when the discount you offer has a time life. This will have a reason to try the product. Slide 2. Using of influencer service. The role of an influencer is to introduce and build customer confidence in the product or service of Red. With a larger number of followers, they seem to have their own fan base. The technology sector, for example, will have a larger following who is present about the latest technology trends. Not influencer followers make them as trusted people in the closing a product. They are trusted friend and credible source. They become ammunition for business developer to properly target the potential customer. Slide 3. Creating personal branding in the digital world. The digital era makes it easy for you to build connection widely. Having a strong personal brand can help you to expand and build connection with people in various fields. It can also help you meet a mentor who can certainly help you thrive in the professional world. Personal branding that is good can be implemented in real terms so that your credibility will increase. It better when you display on social media in line with real life so that the brand you build personal doesn't like it matter up or lying. Slide 4. Giving the titter. Testing the process, guessing to discrepancies in the result of an information with the expired result. Testing is carried out to ensure quality assurance, namely testing whether the information system product in accordance with the testing in the carried out to ensure quality. Can feel the sensation of the product. Slide 5. Giving cashback. Giving cashback discount is an activity to provide price discount on the product so that the price are more affordable for customer and develop profit opportunities for customer to enjoy lower price. Don't hesitate to introvert me if you have question. For more detail, the presentation will be distinguished by Ms. Anggita.
Sembarangan.
Thank you, Mr. Ferry. Now I take over the presentation. I think we have to focus on urban customer and the next. The way I think we need to go back to our rural base by developing everything coming to focus on the particular needs.
Interrupt Miss Anggita, I'm afraid I don't agree with you. I think rural customer want to feel as important as our urban customer. I suggest that we provide our rural sales team with more assistance with advanced customer information reporting.
Sorry, I did not catch it. Can you repeat it?
I just said that we need to provide our rural sales team with better customer information reporting.
I don't really follow you. With FTT, do you mean?
I think in today's digital era, we don't need to develop advertising campaigns to focus on the specific needs of rural customers. We'd better stick with modern marketing strategies as we've done with the urban customer before, because using modern marketing strategies in today's digital era is very important and easier.
How about Mrs. Anggita? Do you understand Miss Erlisa's interruption?
Yes, I understand, Ms. Ferry. Febri masuk Febri.
Sorry, Mr. Elisa. We can indeed provide assistance to customer in rural area, but we still lack information on what product we will trade in rural areas so that they are more affordable to consumer.
We can send our team to research in rural areas in reaching consumer there.
I agree with Mr. Elisa. We can also easily identify customer. We can conduct surveys on them, including surveys regarding which products are needed, what kind of payment system is preferred, what kind of product distribution is desired, and so on.
Yes, very good. I would also like to add that is to build a strategic place of business, at least in the crowded area or in a space that is usually accessible by the public. Such a place has the potential to provide an advantage over a quick place.
To win a strategic business lesson of concern, you need a survey first. Don't just buy and just because it's cheap, but make sure first whether the place is suitable as a place of business or not.
Yes, Miss Fabry, we also need to make a system budget. Patronization or hearing increases require a large amount of capital. Therefore, make a budget that according to a plan using a question software that has budget feature has as a class online.
That's right, Mr. Evan. Although it's not expensive as building a plan of business. It must be done, but budgeting must be sustainable and the budget must be systematic and the not making mistakes in the calculators during the survey.
We also have to establish good relation with customer. One form of good service is to accommodate all suggestion and criticisms from customers. Rest assurance the product matter is less than perfect so that criticism and suggestion from customer become nutrition to never to cover up the imperfection.
The best service is means to be in the form of give or record the customer in the form according to a company's which whether by giving gift in the from the products, free voucher, cashback, or the give or by giving discount our certainly price cuts.
Thanks goodness. If so, I will continue the next series of events, namely a PowerPoint presentation by Mrs. Erlisas. Is Mrs. Erlisas ready?
Okay, already, ma'am.
Okay, I will count the time and place.
All right, I'll start with this PowerPoint presentation. Good morning, meeting participants who have attended. I as a salesperson in the Aston, a real person which I am studying is to discuss the advantages and disadvantages of opening new brands in rural areas and marketing strategies. To begin with, I will explain the preparation that we will do before the opening of new brands in the countryside. It's officially opened in closing. We have prepared strategies to open new business brands and we have prepared the entrance in the same way that we will pass later. Before I start the report, I'd like to get some ideas from all of you. How do you feel about the opening of these new brands? Okay, let's get started. Why do we choose the village? Because so that our product can be more easily consumed by many consumers, not only in cities. There are various backgrounds for opening new business brands. The first is because the central brands cannot meet marketing needs, so new business brands is one solution, and because they want to develop the business so that is so that it is known to many people so that it can increase income. Plus, in business is a no natural thing, especially in new business brands. The laws are as follows. Slide 1. Requires large capital. Opening a new branch of business causes several disadvantages such as the need for less capital. Because if the company does not have a capital, it will definitely do that. Slide 2. Potential losses in the new brands caused by lack of market research. Usually, business actors in the first new business brands even though the management at the central branch is very bad. Slide 3. The management of the company is very busy. The existence of a new branch of business will certainly increase the management activity of the main company. Improper management will cause losses to new business brands and even central brands. For sleeping costs are more expensive. Our company is opening a new branch, of course, because it wants to expand its business and gain profits. Here are the advantages of opening new business brands. Step 1. Expanding in the business causes the company meant to be widely known by people in various regions. Opening a new business branch means penetrating a new markets so that it can bring in many new customers from the new business branch. Therefore, a myriad of strategies is needed in order to attract more attention from this new potential customer. Slide 2. There are more benefits. Of course, this not open script. Opening a new branch will get double the benefits. Disadvantage is albeit from the many brands spread across various regions. Slide 3. Building brand image. The existence of new brands will introduce people who are not familiar with the company's brand. If people already know him, there will be a mindset in him that this brand is so good that it can open brands and have many customers. Opening new business brands must also use strategies to avoid losses, including Step 1. Prepare capital. Opening a new business brand requires a fairly large capital, almost the same as the initial capital to set up a central branch. If our company has not been able to meet the initial capital for a new branch of business, it better look for investor. Whether investor will let a capital full or in part. In retail, there is a mutually agreed profit sharing system. Slide 2. Performing a new location analysis. Is the location crowded every day? Strategies, there is parking space, clear permits, and so on. Location is an important factor in marketing because it is a fail to market the brand. For example, the new location must have fast access to the supply of raw materials so that later it will be easy in distribution cost and raw material supply time. A location that is too crowded will make it difficult for a use market the brand because it's covered by clouds and competition. While a location that is squeezed will also be difficult because there are minimal consumer. Slide 3, analyzing competitors conduct a detailed competitor analysis and implement the right strategies. For example, use a better service. It is how the good personal branding can help develop a major product and be able to generate trust from consumer as a result of this. Slide 4, prepare competent prepare common human resource to fill position in new business brands. We can carry out a strict recruitment process, or it can also be done by conduction several tasks according to the position applied for. Finally, I will summarize my presentation. The opening of new brands will make it easier for you to introduce products in cities and villages, maintain product quality, and more profitable for the company. In addition, we have also prepared a strategies in opening new business brands to avoid big losses. Feel free to interrupt me if you have a question. Okay, then let's continue with Ms. Anggita.
For salads in the city and the city, of course, the difference is clear. Because, for example, we sell in the village with very good product quality but high price. This cannot guarantee that in busy areas it will be welcome. Unless we could ready to introduce what we sell and practice directly so that people in the country city to know what we are selling and we be necessary to do the trade. But for example, it will see ill in the city, they will immediately see the quality because they know its quality. I suggest we divide ourselves into group and discuss the ideas we have as in presented. Finishing the meeting, closing the meeting, be summarizing what was discussed and holding the next meeting.
Unfortunately, we are short on time. We will have to leave that for another time.
Before we close, let me summarize the main points. To the customers, not special help to fill the value. Our sales teams needs more accurate information about our customer. A survey will be complete to collect data on spending habits in these areas. The results of this survey will be sent to our sales team. We are considering specious determining procedure to help deepen our understanding.
Thank you very much, Mr. Evan. Right, looks like we have covered the main item. Are there other business?
Yes, we get business that guarantee people finances. Open job vacancies for people who have been laid off. And for on product, the target market is an hour of life. So it's not only for adults, but for elderly people, for habits to the elderly. And also answer that BPOM must repeat orders must be high.
Thank you very much.
Like it seems we have discussed the main theme. Then another question is our business.
Yes, we still have problem in our product sales business, which is the tracing. Maybe we can discuss this matter another day.
Can we fix the next meeting?
Good idea, Mrs. Elisa. How does every day in 2 weeks' time sound to everyone? Let's meet at the same time, 9 o'clock. Is that good for everyone?
Seems like everything that day was good.
Yes, we all agree.
If there's nothing else to add, I here leave it the Fabri's mother.
Okay, I would like to thank Mr. Ferry and all the participants for coming to our meeting today. Meeting closed.